no woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do.
What's good, loves? I am back with a new video. The wig that I am reviewing in this video is their Deep Wave 13x4 HD lace front wig, and it's a visible transparent lace wig, and it can be glueless, and it's completely human hair. So when I received the wig, it did not take no time, probably about 3 to 4 days, and I love the texture of the wig. So the wig comes with 3 combs in the cap construction. The wig I received is 28 inches and 180% density. And you know what time it is. It's time to get the hair installed. So my beautician is hooking me up, starting off with a stocking cap, and then she is gluing me down, preparing the install. So now that the glue is dry, she is just taking a little foundation just to give it some color, that where the lace can match my complexion, because this is a transparent lace, which is good though, because I actually like that where I can add my own color to it. Okay, now child, she is cutting the wig cap off of my head, that where we can get this wig on. And she's also taking alcohol, that where she can just clean the area of where she is going to glue down my unit. But yes, y'all definitely book my hairstylist, because she is the truth on the coast, and I truly love her work. So yeah, she gonna hook me up again. So now that she got me looking bald and we got this cap flat, she is going to be doing another layer of glue, and she is going to plop that wig on, and we gonna get it popping. Now the wig was a little snug because, child, I do have a big head. So would I say that this is big head friendly? If you adjust the straps, because with me, I was kind of having a hard time. But we got it through though. We got it through, and she's down, she's laid, you know. But just be mindful of that. She does have a small cap construction for my big headed queens like myself. And then I was also thinking maybe because the frontal is a 13x4, I usually get like a 13x6 because it's easier to, you know, kind of adjust towards your head. But we still got the wig on pretty good, and she's flat. So now she's just removing the lace, and she is hooking me up. She done already put my bangs in, and she's hot combing me, that where my ponytail can be slick, because I actually want a half up, half down look, and to top it off with some natural baby hairs. Look at them skills. That's true perfection right there, child. I love how she do my baby hairs. She don't do them too big or none of that. She do them just right. But this unit is really easy to install though. We really didn't have no complications getting the wig on my head too much. Once we had her glued, she was very easy to style, and basically she just put water and mousse and she was done. You go, oh, you know how I've been. Now that we got the baby hairs in, she is just getting started on my ponytail. So she's just going to take some of her got-to-be glue spray, and she's just combing me up, that where my ponytail can be nice and slick. And then she's just going to be taking a little piece from the back, and she's going to wrap that around the ponytail to give it the illusion of a higher ponytail. You know how it goes. And she's just taking that, wrapping it around, hooking me up. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? If heaven is based on nothing, take you there, take you, show you something, give you more than. Child, I don't even remember what we were talking about, but that me mug and the eye roll. Anyways, so the wig install is finished. We got her on, and now we're going to moisturize her, define them curls, baby. And then she'll be taking some mousse just to, you know, keep the curls defined. And I actually love the texture of this hair. Like, this curl pattern is super pretty. I'm all for a good, nice, deep wave.
It's so quiet, but I hear you. Say it to me, baby. Say our time, we're making up time. The time you was.
So 5 hours later at the salon, we is complete. I'm playing, y'all. And now it's time to go home, get this makeup on. And this is how the hair looked when it completely air dried. And she is looking good. The curls is popping. She is in. But you let me know what y'all think in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, love and light.
To give you more than what we had in this place.